So I'm gonna cut my avocado. All right, you cut. Okay, that's what I do. I cut. You peel. Actually, I cut and I used to peel off first. No, I peel off first. I go nice, gentle, because I want it comes. You see, very easy. All right, and after I do like this. I go, I remove with my spoon. Because it's ripe, so it's coming right way. Okay, you can tell, see? Very quick, very easy. This one too. You can peel if you want, but to me it's much easier that way. It's much easier, and you don't get dirty. Your hands, they're not dirty too. Okay. Now I do the second one. Alright, look this, so beautiful. Okay, so you do again. Peel off. Go around. Because see, it comes right way off, you see, and it's easier. All right, so look, if even with spoon, you see that, because it's ripe, that's why you can pick the avocados green. If they're green, you can do it because it's gonna be too hard. Now I'm gonna do my third one. I'm very inspired today. Make my recipes. Thank you so much for being with me. I love to cook. I love to be around the pots. I love to cook. So I enjoy. And I saw my mother cook a lot because she had a big family. And I have this passion, because if you love what you do, I think this makes you happy, makes you happy. All right, so I peel off. And this one. See, you go just around with your spoon. Some people they do. I have friends that do with knife. I don't like, because it can be dangerous, So with spoon, if it's ripe, it comes right off. All right. So my avocados, they're here on my plate. All right. So now I'm gonna do my guacamole. So what I do, I use my fork. I use my fork, like you do if you have a baby. You do the mash the banana. So that's the same way. I don't do that anymore because my children, they're grown-ups. I have a little one, but he's 12. But the other ones, they're adults already. But when they're little, I always make mashed banana, and they're really very happy. They love that with the little oranges. They always love that. So you mash it. You have to mash very well. right? And gonna be actually this one is ripe, but the two first was more ripe, but that's okay, you know. I'm gonna do it. And so now you mix everything. Make sure everything is mashed, and very soft, because you don't want to see pieces of avocados. You like, because if you want to spread on your bread, of course it has to be that way. So I mix everything. Now I'm gonna use salt. I'm gonna use pepper, but pepper, that's optional. If you don't like pepper, you know, you don't have to use. And I'm gonna use my lemon. Me, I like to use the fresh one, but if you don't have, or you don't like, or it's easier for you, you can use this one too. I remove the seeds. Alright. Now, the lemon not only give a flavor, but your guacamole is not going to be brownish too. So lemon helps a lot in a lot of recipes. Like if you have apples too, if you put a little lemon juice, the apples, they're not gonna be brownish. So, but the flavor is good. I like to use lemon in the food. I use a lot actually for the fish, even the meat. I use a lot. All right, and now I'm gonna use. I'm gonna chop my onions. So what I do, because I don't need the whole onion. So what I do like this. You can do like this, you know, chop that way, or you can do with a small knife. And a lot of times I use the Portuguese way, because Romans in Portugal, a lot of times they use the little knife. So I do very small. I chop very little because that's better when you have a toast. You know, in the morning you don't want to see a big onion on your toast. You know, a big slice. So you can use cilantro too. I'm not using cilantro. I never put a cilantro into my guacamole, but it's an option too if you like cilantro. Me, I like very much parsley, but I'm not using cilantro in my food. Otherwise, the Portuguese way, that's like this. Portuguese people, they do like this. Very tiny, very, very. My mother always do like that. She used to do. I'm sorry, I say do. My mom, unfortunately, my mother passed away 30 years ago, and so my mom used to do like this. All right. That's the Portuguese way. Most of the people, they do that. All right. So now I'm gonna mix. Look at that, how beautiful. I mix everything. Oh, I love the smell of the onion. It makes me cry because the onion, red onion, is very strong. But if you don't want to cry, just let it run. If you before you chop your onion, let it run the water, cold water, and you stop crying right away. But it's okay. Yeah, I cry happiness because I love my my guacamole. So nothing wrong with that, right? And I'm going to use more lemon. Oh, this, look that, oh beautiful, look. You see the red onion, everything. Oh my gosh, this is so, I'm gonna try. So beautiful. Oh, I'm so happy with my guacamole. So now I'm gonna serve. Oh, I'm sorry, I apologize. I forgot my cumin. Cumin is a little strong. I don't know if you like, but I use a little bit. You can use a teaspoon. I do like this. All right. All right, you mix everything well. I'm gonna try. This is delicious. This, oh my gosh, I love it. I just love it. So I'm gonna serve now. Of course, if you put a little cherry tomato on the top, it's really delicious too. But everybody's different, so everybody has different tastes, and I make it that way. So look how beautiful, so easy to make. Look at my breakfast, my toast with my guacamole and my English muffin. I make a cup of tea. It's nice with a cup of tea or coffee, and I'm gonna enjoy my guacamole. It's so delicious. You should try. It's very easy, very simple. Thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you. I'm so happy to be with you. And I'm gonna come soon. I'm gonna come back soon. Thank you. Have a wonderful day. I want to just enjoy my guacamole, a nice toast. This is delicious. I love it. The lemon gives such a good taste in the guacamole, and the onion too, the red onion. So this is really delicious. That's why I eat a lot of times in the morning, because you know when you lose weight, you're very excited. Thank you so much for watching my video, and have a wonderful day. Thank you.